Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to make a teddy bear out of towel. So for this craft you will need a rubber band and a towel. So I'll start. I'm going to fold my towel so it won't be too big. So I'm done folding. Now you have to roll. Okay, I'll roll it until here, and I'll start rolling the other side. So what will be similar. Then you grab from here a short side and then you fold it here. So then when you see this is gonna be like bit of here, and then I'll add a little bit inside, and then I hold like here. And now I'll take the rubber band. So we have to put the rubber band. So I added the rubber band. Okay, so after you add the rubber band, this is how it will look like. Now I'm gonna add the rubber band here to make a ear of the bear. Okay, now I'll hold from here and then add here. And okay, now I'm tying. This is my towel bear. It's really pink and adorable, and it's really simple to make. That's all for today. So I hope you like this video.